0. Am I right?
Yes.
F of 1/2 was what? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
F of negative 1/2 was what? Yes?
Mhm.
Your graph is like this.
Ah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Of course, keep going on. So, visually, this one is shrinking or stretching? Horizontal shrinking or stretching? Picture.
Shrinking.
Of course, shrinking. This one is what? It's a,
That one's shrinking.
I'm sorry, horizontal shrinking.
Mm-hmm.
By a factor of what?
2.
1/2 of the 2.
Oh.
Read page 203 in the box.
Mm-hmm.
See, so that's it you need it. So this is a little bit confusing, so if you understand this picture, I don't worry about it. Yes? How about this picture? This is number 1. How about number 2? Number 2, same way, we're gonna draw. See here, you have a f of 1/2 x, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's go. Y equal f of 1/2 times negative 1. What is it? I don't want to. What about negative 1/2 negative 2? What is it? It is f of negative 1. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Originally, f of negative 1 is what? Yeah. Am I right?
You can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Da, right?
Yep.
So what happened?
It
Your
went
graph is?
up by a factor of 2.
That's right. So this is what? Shrinking or stretching? That's
Stretching.
right. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
So make a, I'm sorry, summary. To make a horizontal stretching, your inside the number should be what? Less than 1. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
To make a horizontal stretching, I'm sorry, shrinking, your inside the number should be what? Greater than, so Cx is C is greater than 1. Yes? Yeah. You understand? That's the summary. Nothing more than that. Okay, so I finish here. And then let's go to page 204.
Okay.
Another topic. About the definition of what? Definition of even and odd function. Yeah? What do you mean? Can I erase this? No?
Mhm.
Yes. Okay. Or okay. The given graph is even function or odd function or neither function based on this definition. First one. Is even, odd, or neither?
Wait, when is the graph gonna look, what does the graph look like when it's a negative f of x? That's what I'm confused about.
Here, what you need to check. Let's choose a negative one. Yeah? Let's
Okay.
choose a positive one. Am I right? This is
Yes.
negative x, this is x. Yes?
Yes,
And then your value y is what? Here, and your
Mhm.
value y is here. Am I right?
yes.
So, in this case, if we assume this is same magnitude, and then
Mhm.
what kind of relation you can make it? F of negative 1 is equal to what? Negative f of 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Do you understand? This is even or odd? Odd.
Odd.
Yes, odd function.
Okay.
Similarly, you choose, and then this is even or odd. Again. Yeah?
Mhm.
So it's odd. It's odd? No.
What?
Even.
Even, of course even, yes. Why? This case, what you needed to satisfy? Am I right? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This one. This one is even or odd?
Odd?
Good. Why? Because this value and this value will be different, right?
Okay. So what about the one on the top left?
Yes, I will go.
Sorry, I'm getting real
How
excited
about
about
this
math
one?
tonight.
How about this one?
Odd?
No.
What?
Yeah, I know.
But
I
it's
guess
not-
you answer, majority of you answer no. Why?
Oh, because got it. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Is it even or odd? Or neither, I'm sorry.
Neither.
Even, odd, or neither?
Neither.
Neither. How about this one?
Even. No, neither.
Neither. How about this one? How about this one?
Even.
Very good. Even.
Mm-hmm.
How about this one?
Neither.
How about
Even?
this one?
Oh, is that the
Is it
same?
even?
Huh?
Is it reflection?
Here. Is it even or odd or neither?
Odd.
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 Of course.
Ah.
How about this one?
Neither.
Neither. You understand?
I think so.
I understand even and odd. How do you know if it's neither? Like the odd.
Neither
are the
means
same.
what? Cannot make a symmetry. So now I want to talk about if function is even and then what? The function is what? Function is symmetric about what? Looks like from this result.
EX?
No, odd or even case is symmetric about what? Your answer of either case symmetric about what?
The Y.
Good. Y-axis.
Oh.
Yes. Very good. How about the odd function? From the graph, you know the result. The odd function is what? Symmetric about what?
The x-axis.
Negative and positive?
Say it again. Say it again.
The
What
odd
is the answer
function's
here?
Symmetrical how?
X equals 0? Oh.
Origin.
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 No.
Okay.
Yeah, rotate 180 degree and then what? You exactly duplicate, right? Or what? This point is what? Through the origin, it go here, right? This point through the here, right? Reflect about the origin, right? This is your mirror, and then you can exactly make this, right? Through the origin, yes?
Yes.
Good. So this is very important result. Now let me change the question.
Oh.
So this is the easiest example. Now, if you don't know graph, here you only have a what? And I want to make a y. I'm sorry, it's okay. And how about? About okay, let's go. Let's go. You cannot throw everything, right? But I'm asking same question. Which one is odd? Which one is even? Which one is neither?
First one is neither.
No, from the beginning it's
Oh,
wrong.
Oh, even.
Hint. What do you need to check?
But it just says y.
Each
doesn't it?
term. What's the degree of each term of x? Okay. So what is the degree of x?
There's no x.
Yeah, exactly. So what do you mean no x?
It's
What's the
me.
degree?
Then.
What's
Oh,
good?
so
0.
Oh,
Yes,
zero.
you are right.
Okay.
Right?
Mhm.
Oh.
0 include as a even, special even. So this is even function or odd function? Even. This kind of graph, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
Let's go. So what's the degree
Odd.
here?
Oh.
Odd.
Odd.
How about here? This is the even, this one is what?
Even.
Am I right?
Yeah, even.
So what?
Yeah,
This
even.
is even. Am I right? How about this?
Even.
Even, yes. How about this?
Neither.
Eh?
Oh, no.
Odd.
Ah. How about this?
Even.
Even.
Even. How about this?
Uh,
Ooh.
Pause.
Is that gonna be neither?
Neither, right. Only one side, right? Half of them, right? You have. How about this one? Do you know graph of this? I draw several times. Yeah?
Oh.
Odd. How about this one? I'm sorry, I will change the question, sorry.
Okay.
How about this one? Because I did a similar one.
You got
This
it.
is a what?
That's
Degree?
Would be even?
No, no, no. This
No,
is
because
a,
x is
two.
1.
And then that's
What is it?
1.
mixing odd and even in the one function. Am I right? This is what? Neither.
Neither.
Oh.
Okay.
How about this one?
Neither. Oh, no, sorry. Odd.
Odd. Because 3
Yeah.
and 1. Am I right? How about this one?
Odd.
Uh-uh.
No.
Wait, how?
Because there's no x, so you add the x and then it's 0. Would it be neither?
Yes. What's the graph of this? You know the graph.
Sorry, I have to do this because I'm bad
This
at
is the
math.
what? Vertical shift, right?
Obviously,
Vertical
not
shift to
too
1.
bad.
So what? 1 here, and then your graph is like this. Yes?
Mhm.
This is your graph is x cube, right? This is x cube. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
But one vertical shift to make what? Neither. Am I right?
Yes.
So if you don't know the graph and you have a formula only, and then what? You have to check by the order, the degree of the x. Yes? Okay, that's it. So yeah. Okay. And then let's move to next section, 2.7. Still review.
Still.
That was just one section.
2.7.
These are the match.
Combine the function.
It's basically coming because even this one is
So combine the functions you need to know about formula in page 210.
I didn't go over that.
Definition. What they mean f plus g? It means what? This one means f of x plus g of x. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
You learn.
Is it the
right?
composition of?
That's right. Combine,
Oh, thank God.
not the composite. Composite is
Oh,
one of
okay,
special.
okay.
F minus g of x means yes. Yeah. You know f times g means f of x times g of x. Am I right? F divided by g of x means f of x over g of x when, of course, g of x is not 0. That's the definition. Yes? Of combined function. Yes? Okay, let's add one more definition. Page 213. Composite function, you like it?
Oh, yes. Oh.
The composite function of f and g can be represented by f composite g of x or g composite f of x. What they mean? This one is f of g of x. If I write using the parenthesis, you learn that, right? This one is g of f of x. Am I right? Yes.
Yeah.
What they
actually.
mean? Why? What they mean? This one, if we understand with the diagram, what they mean? This one, it means this. Two-step function, composite function is. So, here, I'm starting x. And my first function applied by f, let's say. And my second function applied by g, let's say. And then, from f of x, apply f, and then it is become what? F of x. Am I right? Yeah? And apply g, and then this function become what? No, g of f of x. Am I right? Am I right? This one, if we represent by one express lane function, starting from directly here, what's the name of this? This is a composite function. What is it? G composite f. Yes? So this function, another name is what? G composite f of x. Same thing. Yes? Do you understand? Yeah. Here, you have to be careful. It's not commutative. So, in general, this one and this one is not equal. Don't confuse. Yes? This is not equal. We will show by example. Any questions so far about the definition?
Yeah, plenty.
No.
Why is the open circle, why is there the closed circle? The open circle is the composite function? Is that what you said?
Yes, open circle is a composite function. Dot
Okay.
is a multiplication.
Okay.
Yep. Any others? You know everything, right? Already.
Nope, I'm gonna keep asking you questions.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, and then let's go to the real example. Example. Let's pick up from this book, page 213, example 3. Consider that are we going to slightly change? So star means what? Not the same. Yeah. Let's say f of x is negative x squared. And g of x is, what? 4 minus 3x. Let's go. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I slightly changed. Now, first question. Right. Compute or find two, here, one more, here. C times f of x is what? Means C times f of x. Yes? Well, C is constant, right? Yeah, okay. 2f minus g. No. Find. 2. Evaluate. F times g of negative 1. 3. Evaluate. F of 2g, f of 2g. X is simplified. Okay, 4. Find f composite g. 5. Find g composite f. 6. Evaluate f of g of negative 1. 7. Evaluate f composite g of negative 1. Let's go. Sum of composite function include what? X value, right? Sum of function didn't include x. It means x is hidden. Yes? Yeah. How do you figure out this? By the definition. What they mean is, it's exactly the same thing for what? We needed to figure out. Am I right? By the definition, what is it? Do you understand? Do you understand?
No.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, what is f of x? Substitute. Am I right? This is your answer. Yes?
Yes.
It's good? Nothing more. Just I use the definition, right? Good. Any question? What about this? Multiplication. From the definition, what is it? Am I right? Am I right? So here, let's figure out value. What is f of negative 1? What is f of negative 1?
Is 1.
Oh.
Oh.
See, that's a common mistake.
Minus
Oh, minus 1 you said, I'm sorry.
Oh, because
And
it's
you.
negative 1 squared times negative. Okay, yeah.
Thank you. So, but well, what about g of negative 1? Huh?
Oh, 7.
7, right? 7, yes? Am I right? Yes? Yeah, so multiply here. Your answer is what? Value. Yes? Am I right? Can I keep going?
Uh-huh.
Any question? How about this? It means am I right? So what they mean? So substitute. What is that? That's the answer. Yes?
On number 2, how did you get -1? Wouldn't that just be? Oh, never mind. I didn't see the negative sign in front of parentheses.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Okay? What they mean is, you have to rewrite to with x. So it is equal to what? From the definition, if you meet the composite function, your first job is what? Rewrite using parentheses, yes?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So this is, I'm sorry, which one is outside? Sorry,
Yeah.
Yeah.
good, F. Am I right?
Mhm.
So substitute from inside. So what is g of x? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So substitute this one for f. So what? Yes? Yes?
Mhm.
Yep. Right? And then similarly, what is it?
Your G is gonna be outside.
Mm-hmm. So, am I right? So what is it? Substitute there. Isn't it? Is it good? You see this. 4 and 5 is what? Not equal. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
This is not equal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Right.
Good. So it's not commutative. Okay, let's go with value. Already this one is what? Parenthesis form. Yes. So it is equal to f of what is g of -1? 7. Am I right?
Mhm.
And then substitute 7. Yes.
Mhm.
Uh,
Yeah.
Is good? How about what is this? This one rewrite using parentheses. This is what? F of g of -1. So what? Exactly here.
Same
So
thing.
what? That's right. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Is good? Now, are we gonna slightly change the question? Okay, are we gonna make a same question? Let me erase it. Yeah. Huh? Everybody already copied it? So can I erase it?
Yes, 1 second.
Okay? Huh?
1 second.
No, don't take a picture of this. I already changed the question.
Okay.
Huh?
You're just gonna erase the blue part, right?
Here. Let's go back. If you wanna take the picture,
No, you already wrote it down.
yeah, take a picture. And then I'm gonna move to the new question. Yes? And let's go. Let's go. Okay, I wanna change f of x as a what? Square root
On
x.
my YouTube channel.
And I wanna make a g of x as a what? What is good? What is
Something
good?
easy.
Let's say
Okay.
1 over x.
Oh,
Okay.
Why not? Okay, and then maybe I have to change this value. Here, I want to make this one as a 4. I want to make 4. Let's say 4. Let's go. Let's go.
Hold on.
So until here it will be same, right? So I don't need to change anything here. Anything here.
Number 2, you changed to 4, right?
yes.
Okay. Cool. Sweet.
Yeah, let's go. So, what is it? What is it? 2 square root x minus 1 over x. Yeah, that's your answer. Yes?
Yes.
Good. How about this?
Wait, what?
What about this? F over 4 times g over 4. Am I right? Yes? So, square root of 4
Yes.
times what? 1 over 4. Am I right? What is square root of 2? I'm square root of 4 is 2.
Two.
It's
Yes.
2.
Too much. So it is, your answer is what? 1/2. Yes? It's good? Yeah, keep going. This is f of x over 2 times g of x. So substitute. And square root x and what? Here, algebra. 2 times 1 over x. Am I right? See, square root x times what? This one is division. 2 over x is divided, right? Here. 2 over x is divided means what? Flip to multiplication. Do you understand? So it is what? Multiply this. Am I right? It's good? So your answer is what? Yes? Hmm? It's good? Good. Move on. What is g? 1 over x. Am I right? Substitute 1 over x. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? It's good? Yep. How about this? Isn't it? This case, usually not same, but this case accidentally same, right?
Oh, and why?
Accidentally.
Why?
I will show why later, today, about when I
okay.
discuss about inverse.
Interesting.
Usually not equal, yes, but this case is accidentally equal.
You're
So
gonna give
don't
us one that do the opposite.
Okay, how about this? You put 4 like this, am I right?
Yes.
And then put there, what is it?
Oh, because they cancel each other out for 4 and 5, and that's why they end up being the same answer?
Say,
'Cause
say again?
when you do the problem, they end up canceling each other out. Like,
No, I mean, yeah, here.
yeah.
Yeah, this is accidentally equal. Okay, how about this? This one, f over g over 4, am I right? So what is your f over 1/4? Am I right? Yes?
Mhm.
So it is what? Same. Is this? Yes? Actually same, right? Do you understand?
Hold on. Oh, let's see. Yeah.
Now your turn. Pick up 52, page 217. I need one volunteer.
Page 152?
217.
Oh, 217.
217, right?
Yeah.
Number, yeah. 52. That's one. Evaluate. Two. Find G composite F. 3. Evaluate G over F over G over F over -1. 4. Evaluate f of g of negative 1. Right? And evaluate g composite f of and let's see 1 0. Let me yeah 0. Let's go. 6. Evaluate f composite g of 0. Go. Yeah. Any volunteer?
I'll try. Everybody else wanna go?
I'm gonna do it on my own.
Oh, you did before?
No.
Yeah, come. What is your name?
Kristen?
Kristen. Right.
All
Whatever
of them or
color,
one of them?
whatever color you like.
All of them or one?
Try to as many as possible.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Mhm. You missing what? So erase it.
Okay.
Mhm. Uh-huh. Good.
So this one I plug F in for.
Plug in X, right? And
Plug
then
in.
rewrite it. And compute it. If you meet this, what do you need to do first? And go. Yes? Mhm. Hmm?
I'll beat you that too.
How originally two there?
Yeah, the two. Right here.
Oh.
That's all right.
That's not?
No, yes, she's exactly right. So what? This 2 is X value, right?
Yeah,
So
I
she
get that
needed
part.
to distribute f of 2 minus 2 times g of 2. Yes, but she directly go. so here, if we you wanna go carefully, and then this is this. Oh my God, where is my? Yes, right. And then you can go here. Yes.
Yeah, I guess I skipped the step.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. All right. Go. Second one.
My mind is going.
Rewrite,
blank.
if you meet this kind of composite function, what is your first
You
step?
have to put G on the outside.
That's right, rewrite using parentheses. So it's
Okay.
equal to, yes,
So it's
equal to,
equal to.
Equal to G parentheses
good.
F
Of x.
of X.
Yes,
Okay.
parentheses. Equal to g, so starting to substitute from inside, g of what?
So G of X.
Parentheses. So what is g of x squared? Substitute to where? Good, so it's equal to, good, stop, yes. Okay? Oh yeah, go, until, one more, yeah. Why not, until 3. So it is equal to g of, I don't,
Yeah.
see, you have to, I know you're right. So parentheses, what is f of negative 1? So here, what is, you had better, what is f of negative 1?
-1 squared.
Yes. Uh-huh. Is what?
1.
Good. Yeah, good. Geog. Parenthesis, yeah, is equal to? Is equal to? Good job, yeah. Any other volunteer?
I'll do one.
How about you did before, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't get any more.
Any other volunteer?
more extra credit.
You did also twice, right? Any other volunteer?
Not twice. I did it.
I want to do 6.
Any volunteer?
Here.
You did how many times?
I've done it twice.
Yeah.
Why? Don't need to be shy. Oh my God. Why? Oh, okay, yeah, pen there. So come. Okay, what's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel.
It's just like
Okay,
Rachel.
good. Rachel. Good.
You got it, Rachel. You got this.
Yeah. Mhm. Which number do you want to go? 6? Okay, good. Is it equal? How about here? Yeah, because it's confusing. Good job. So? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Is the answer 3?
Not yet. Parents, you know what? This is not a good habit. Don't try that. What is it?
Oh, they cancel out, right?
No, don't
So-
say cancel out. Here, like that. Yes, 1 half and 2 is cancelled. So you got this. Yes?
Yes.
Am I right? This is equal. Good job. 2 more. 2 more there. Uh-huh.
Okay, so she put F and then that's 3. This one, and she did
Uh-huh. Equal. So what is inside of square root? F of? Good job. Yeah, so don't write down this is not equal. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know students want to be everything is equal, but not everything is equal. Yes. Uh-huh.
You were funny, girl.
Uh-huh.
I don't write arrows.
She's funny. So you were funny, girl.
Good job. So what is it? Good. How about last? Yeah, number 5. So it's equal. Good. Equal. Okay, keep going. Substitute. So what is it? No more G. Because you already substitute. Yes? Yes? So it is equal to what? No, don't say.
Sorry.
So you did already, right?
No.
Here.
I don't know
You-
where I'm at. I'm
No,
confused.
here. You put 0 here, right?
Uh-huh.
So what? You did already.
Yes.
So what is it?
33.
Good job. Yeah, you did very good.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Good job.
Yeah, really good job. She did. Everybody understand? Everybody understand? Yes.
Yes.
Move on. Move on where? Let me see. Okay. Yeah, one more. Same page. 39 through 46. I will do. Now, evaluate.
Even at home, smoking things, I'm still like, oh, I wish.
Okay. Volunteer.
Oh, I love these. Oh, but I already did. Okay.
What?
Nice.
The points really should be on there.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Huh?
What is this?
Anybody?
Hell. It is hell.
You
Wait,
have
what
tried?
is this?
Huh?
I can help you.
Sure.
What is your name?
Ali.
Ali.
Last one. Or,
Yeah, try it. Why not?
Can I try it after him? But I don't know how to do it.
I can help you.
So you can guide me.
What is your name?
I can guide you.
Esther?
Esther.
Why should help me? I don't know how to do
There
it.
you go. Try like
You
10
should help
points.
me though.
What is
yeah.
your
Yeah.
first name, Esther?
Yeah,
Yeah, try. What is your first name, Esther?
Esther?
Esther. Oh, I'm sorry. Last name.
Cesaro with a T.
P. P. No P.
T.
T. Sorry.
T.
Oh, good. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see,
You-
let me see, let me see.
How about number 1 through?
She be writing so dang fast.
How, how about
Huh?
your job is what? This much.
Okay, so.
What's your last?
Her job is below. Yeah. Come.
Who?
Do you need help?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Like, is your help? Wait, so it'll be like this, 2, and
Yeah.
5, and then.
So if I
Oh,
F
that's
is two.
F of 1, right?
Wait,
For
so
No,
number
wait.
3?
What's two?
What's number
It's
2?
5.
That's
G
1,
of
right?
two.
It's
Five.
parentheses got
Number
it
two?
right.
And then
Five.
5 right
Number 3
here
is
is
alpha of 1, right?
Uh-huh.
So this would equal 6.
Yeah.
Oh, so I got it right?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Okay.
Show all the procedure. No credit. If you write down 6,
No
I don't give
credit.
any
So how do you
credit.
show procedure?
Procedure. So start.
Oh, okay, so with that, so
Yeah, F of no. See, you have to substitute what from here. So you keep the F. F of, write down. F of,
so it would be F of.
what is G of 2?
5.
Good. And then what is F of 5?
Would be 6.
Good job.
Oh, so
Write
that's
down
it.
this way. Yes.
But it's time consuming.
Oh, she's like, that's the point.
And then
Thanks,
this
Isaac
would
Newton.
equal- would it be,
Thanks, kid.
Your answer is not correct.
Wait, which one?
This one? Hmm?
Hmm?
Oh, sorry.
Good. Okay.
I see that.
Rewrite using parentheses. So this is what? F of
It's F of 6.
G of, no. G of,
Sorry, G of
F
6.
of, right? By
Six.
definition, F of,
Yeah, so it would be F.
using parentheses, write down. F, what is definition? F of, yeah, F parentheses, G of, G parentheses, what?
6.
Good, parentheses, equal to, yes. And then starting from inside, what is G of 6? G of 6 is, good, 4. And then you have 4, and then that's what? 1. Very good. Now you understand how to write down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is F of 2? Good job.
What's that? That's, for number 5, his equal is F of 6?
Eh?
Looks
I
like a
don't
U.
think so.
Wait, what?
Ali,
Oh,
write
sorry,
the
sorry.
numbers.
Good. Ali, you did a good job.
Huh?
That's F of 6 on 5 equals 1?
Say it again.
G of 6.
Equals F
Equals F of 4.
of 4. Okay, that's a 4. Okay.
My bad.
All right.
Everybody understand? Everybody should understand.
Should.
Yeah.
Uh,
Good.
No.
Esther?
Ah! Hold on.
It was easier than I thought.
Good, yeah.
Wait, I might not get it right.
It doesn't matter.
We're gonna help you.
Okay. Hold on. Let me read this. Okay, what's this?
Starting from inside, so what is f of 1?
2.
Good, write down. You have still f of 2, right? What is f of 2? Go back again.
3.
Good, very good.
Equals 3?
Yes, too easy, huh?
Wait. Okay, don't guide me.
G of 2, yes.
So this is G
G
of 5.
of, right? And then go back again. X is 5, so what?
Wait, what? Huh?
Yeah, you're right. You did good. Mhm.
So it's 1?
Yes. This side. Rewrite using parentheses. So it is what? Rewrite like he did. And the number 5 and 6.
Okay,
So rewrite it. F,
so
good. F of,
F of 5.
good. Good. So now F of 5 is
6.
good. F of, good. And then,
3.
good job. So same thing. Two. No. Go
Wait.
too fast. Rewrite first. This one, don't go. This was originally 2.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
wait, isn't it 5?
No. Like number 7 you did. Write down first.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay, like that.
Good. And then what is G of 2?
5.
Uh-huh.
1.
Good job.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Very good. Very good. Okay, move on.
Back here, please.
How about,
I can't see the last one.
let's go to the example, application, 215. Textbook, 215. Why we have to learn this? Application.
To apply it in our daily lives.
I hope it would
Did you just ask why we have
not.
to?
Here,
Because math.
example 7. Oh, 15, sorry.
215?
Mm.
Okay.
What the problem? Okay? You have to understand. A ship is traveling at 20 miles per hour parallel to a straight shoreline. The picture here. This is shoreline. This is the land. This is the river, right? And here is a lighthouse. I am very bad drawer. And your ship is what? Moving parallelly this way, yeah? And the distance from the shoreline to until your ship is 5 miles. Distance. Okay, so here is also 5 miles. Let me take. Yeah, 5 miles. This is 5 miles too.
But it's not a word problem.
Now, your ship is moving this way, and then your ship is moving this way also. And this velocity is what? Velocity is 20 miles per hour. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now, read more. And here, A, express the distance S between the lighthouse and the ship as a function of t. The distance ship has traveled since noontime is like a function f. So what I'm talking about, your ship starting at the noontime here. And then time goes and then move this direction, yes? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
They said. And what distance you are interested in? You are interested in this distance. The ship at some time with the distance between lighthouse and ship, yes? This is your D, am I right? Here, this one is what? Right angle, isn't it? Am I right? So looks like this one is what? Right triangle, isn't it? Good. Let's go. So what we want to do? They said number A is what? Number A, they said what? The distance wants to be f of D, right? Yes? What is D? D is the, yeah? D is the, no. See, if you go to the picture, I'm sorry, I make wrong. This distance want to measure by S. And this distance we say D, yes? Sorry for that. And then,
This is B.
from the Pythagorean,
From the what?
Oh,
Oh, the only thing I remember.
Oh,
I was
Pythagorean.
saying, where did that guy come from?
He's rose from the dead,
S
girl, but that's the only thing I know.
S squared equal to what? Pythagorean. Huh?
A squared plus C
He's
squared.
pretty-
So what is A squared? What is B squared?
It's a
Is it the 5 now? Or-
5 what?
Oh, okay, I was right.
What? Keep going.
five,
The 5?
5 squared
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
plus D squared.
That's right. Isn't it?
Yes.
But we have to solve for S. So here, square root both. But this is the word problem, and we measure all the distance or whatever as a positive value. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So we don't worry about plus minus. So what? In this case, it's word problem. So what? This. Yes. Don't break down your square root here and here. If you are inside the operation is addition or subtraction. Yes?
Yes.
Don't break down. So this one make what? S equal to. Am I right? That's your first answer. Yes?
Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
Yeah. Second answer. D. And what? Express your D as a function of T because time goes and then what? Your distance D changed, right?
Yes.
So what I'm talking of D wants to be what? Function of T. Here, to measure the D, what do you know? You know what? Velocity is 20, right?
Yeah, 20 miles per hour.
And your starting time, starting time is T equals 0. Your starting time is noon and going, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 1 hour later, what's the distance? The ship moved.
20 miles.
Good. So, do you understand the distance can measure by what? Velocity times time,
Time.
right? Multiply
Okay.
times. Note. Distance is what?
Rate times time?
Velocity multiply time. Yes? Am I right?
I have a
So-
question.
Yeah.
Then what is the rate times time? What is rate times time?
Rate, this is the rate. Velocity means what?
So that is the
Rate of change of distance. Yeah.
Mhm.
Mhm. Okay, so what? This case, D equal to f of t equal to what? 20t. Am I right? You understand?
Equal.
Yes?
Yes.
It's good?
Equal to, yes.
Okay.
20t.
C. C. What did they say? Find F composite G. What is F composite G? Notation is very bad. So, your book, if you go, I'm sorry, this one they use as a G. Sorry. This is G. Yeah. Read your book and then this is G. What is F composite G? It means what? It means, see, which one is inside, which one is outside?
The
G is inside.
F is
Yeah,
outside,
so-
G is inside.
So this is equal to what? F of G of what? T, am I right? Am I right? So this is F of what? 20T, am I right? So what is F? Here this is F of D. Am I right? Am I right? You follow me? Yeah, so it is what? Isn't it?
Yes,
Clear?
clear.
Good. So what kind of composite function you can think about? See here, your first value is t, am I right? And then you apply the g function here, and then t goes where? T goes 20t, am I right? And then, oops, by f, it goes where? See here, f function is what? 25 plus 20t squared. Am I right? You understand? Here. Do you understand? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So this is what? In this case, from here to here means what? G, F, composite G. Am I right? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So two-step function combined together, right? That's composite function, right? Move on. Okay, now another review, 2.8, about the one-to-one function and the inverse function. Very important, even though review.
I don't, I thought I could be straight. Those are pretty cool. Get everything straight out.
Okay, so starting from the definition, page 290. So your job, you have to do this. Okay,
They won't, but I just read my.
okay, and then I will go example. And
She's a read herself. Well, excuse me.
yeah, let's do this much. This graph is function or not?
It is a function.
Yes.
Yes.
How do you check a function if you have a graph?
Vertical
Apply
line
the
test.
vertical line. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, next question.
It is a one-to-one function.
To check the one-to-one, what do you need to do? Apply the horizontal line.
Horizontal
Yes.
Yes.
And crossing maximally one point or not, right? Same thing. Is it function?
Yes, not one-to-one.
Is it not one-to-one? Why?
It fails the horizontal line test.
If you apply the horizontal line, what? Crossing sometimes 2 points. Yes.
Yes.
Is it one-to-one?
No. Oh, that one. Yes.
Function and one-to-one. Am I right? Is it function?
Yes.
Is one-to-one?
Yes.
Yes. How about this? Is it function?
Yes.
Is one-to-one?
Yes.
Yes. If you know the graph, everything go easy, become easy. But most of case, we only have a what? Function, right? The formula. Okay, so let's go. Oh, before that, I needed to do more. Okay, how about How about by the Venn diagram? Nah. How about this?
I kind of remember this one.
Okay. Is it function?
Yes.
Yes. Is it one-to-one?
Yes.
No.
No, wait,
Because
why?
it's sharing a,
Yes, why?
sharing
Good.
the
Which
Y.
one?
Good.
Which
Why?
one? Which one is it sharing?
The top one,
Oh, okay.
Function means what? You move from x to y, yes? One-to-one, what do you need to do? I don't do that, a little bit opposite way I introduce this. One-to-one means what? Go from x to y's function or and your y to x is also function. And then this is what? One-to-one function, yes? So, opposite way. Starting from here, go to this. It's not a function, am I right?
Right.
Because two branch by 1 point, right?
Mhm.
It's not a function. Same thing. Is it function?
Yes.
Yes, it yeah.
Oh, no.
No, it has more.
Yeah. It's
Not
not
a
on the
function.
X.
And then don't ask anything anymore. Right?
Mhm.
Is it function?
Yeah, no.
No.
It's not the same.
Is it function?
Yes.
Yes. Is it one-to-one?
No.
Of course not. Multiple, right? Branch. When we think about opposite way. Is it function? Is it one-to-one? Yes, it is. Because always from here to here or from here to here is one branch, right? Starting point has one branch, yes? Hello?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so we know graph and then everything is easy. But. Not really. So one-to-one function, if we know graph and then what? Apply the horizontal line, isn't it?
Mhm.
Now. So original definition in page 219, but usually I introduce this and then you confuse a lot. So I don't want to go. Okay, yeah, here. Hard one. Okay, which one is one-to-one? Yeah, you don't know, but this is still very good because you can remember the graph, right? Everything is function, right? Yes, everything is function. Which one is one-to-one? Is one-to-one? No. Right?
Oh.
So, not.
Hmm.
How about this one?
Yes.
Yes, because straight line. Yes?
Yes.
How about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one-to-one. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
How about this one?
What is that? Is that a K?
What's the graph of this?
K of X? Is it the separate?
Oh, good, because you asked this. So let me make one more.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, is it the one-to-one one? Huh? What's the graph of this?
Is it the, it separates, right? No?
Hey, what's the graph of this? Where is vertex? Where is vertex? Inside should be 0, and then that's the location of vertex. Where is vertex? Where is vertex?
Oh, it ends at 0, right?
Where is vertex? Vertex is what? Which x value make inside 0?
Just like that. Just like this. Like a V, right?
No.
Or
See, like huh? What's the graph of this? You should know. Over here, and then it goes to the left-hand side or right-hand side. You have to check. If I give like a 5 or 6, your y value exists or not? If I put 5, do you have a y value?
No.
No. So if I put negative 4, y value exists? Yes.
Yes.
So your graph is which side? Left or right?
That side.
Good. This is your graph. Yes?
Mm.
See, you should know. And then, this is 1-to-1 or not?
yeah.
Yeah, of course. What's the graph of this? You guys say.
Oh, it's
Where's
the-
vertex? Vertex is x negative 1. Am I right?
That one's it.
So this is 1-to-1 or not? Huh?
It's a-
No, not 1-to-1. Yes? Am I right?
Yes.
So even function formula is given, but you should do what? Remember what's the graph, yes? And then easily you can see, not an easy job. Okay, okay now. What's the definition of inverse? So let's go page 20. What's the inverse? Read it. I don't want to go.
It's
because of
220?
you. 20 at the bottom.
Okay.
I don't want to go. Now, instead
On
of,
page 220?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
so now I want to pick up one example.
You want to do it?
Example 5.
Well, 220 and then problem 24.
I have a graph.
All the twos.
Let's see. 4, 3. And 7, 5. And 0, 2. And your graph is this is your graph of y equal f of x. Now, evaluate
Oh, you know how to draw.
f of 0, f of, let me see, okay, let me see, this is okay, what is the f inverse of 0? What is f
Negative 2.
of 4? What is f inverse of 5? Let's go.
No.
Here,
Wait, you have f of 0.
question.
Oh, f negative 1, 0?
This
the next
value
one?
is x value or y value?
X value.
Good, x value.
Can you answer my question?
And then f of 0 should be y value, right? When x equals 0, what is y value?
2.
Good job. Here, in this case, this is f inverse, right?
Yes.
This value is x value or y value?
Now it's y value.
Y, very good. Y value, very good. So read y value at 0. This whole thing should be x value. What's the answer? Eh?
Negative 2.
-2. Very good.
Yes.
Good job. When x y equals 0, your x value is -2. Very good. See, same thing. What is f of 4? This is x value, right? What is f of 4?
3.
Good.
3. Yeah.
What is f inverse of 5?
Inverse?
5 is x value,
Oh,
y
7?
value. Huh?
Wait,
Y value, right?
7?
7. Good job. Do you understand? Yes? which case you can discuss about f or f inverse, your graph is what? 1 to 1. Yes? Do you understand? So, we can discuss inverse value when your given function is what? 1 to 1. If your function is not 1 to 1, I already told you, forget about it. Right? So only discussion of inverse function is available under the assumption of what? Your function is 1 to 1. Yes?
Right,
Don't
yes.
forget. Okay, so keep going.
Now we got these colors out.
Now I wanna pick up one problem from exercise. Why not? Page 226. Number 2930. So you have a graph. The graph is this. 6, 4, 4. And 8, 0. This is your graph of what? Y equal f of x. Evaluate. F of 0, f inverse of 0, f of 6, f inverse of 2, f inverse of 5, f inverse of 6. Let's go. What is it? Your inside is x value, y value.
Y value. X.
X value. So, what is answer?
6.
Good.
Your inside is x value or y value?
Y.
Good. And then what is your x value?
8.
Good. Here, inside is y value, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here, you have to maybe make a proportion, right? Whereas 2, your 2 is here. Am I right?
Yes.
Da 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 da. And then what is this?
6.
Good job. And what about this? 5 is x value or y value?
Y value.
Y.
Good. Y value 5, we don't like it. But I copied from the book. So 5 is here. Am I right?
Mhm.
And then da 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 da. What is this?
2.
Good. What about this?
0.
Good job. Do you understand? Yep. So you needed to figure out what is x, what is y value, right? Starting from this. Yes? Because we already discussed. Here, I want to give the diagram. This is f. Yeah? And then what is f inverse? This is f inverse. So here, I'm starting at x. And then we go to what? F of x. Am I right? And then starting here, move this, what they mean this? It is f inverse of f of x. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. So here, what is true? This is equal. or another way. Or this is f inverse. I want to start here. I want to move by f inverse first. And then this one goes what? F inverse y. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
And then I move by f, go back here. And then that's what? F of f inverse y. Am I right? Yes. Here, what happened? Here to here or here to here. Everything is closed loop. Am I right? Closed loop. What happened here? F inverse of fx is equal to x. Am I right? Here, f of f inverse y is equal to y. Am I right?
Mhm.
Do you understand? So what? Starting point is x and then ending point is x. Starting point is y and then ending point is y. Yes? What is another? So if I rewrite using the composite function, what is it? F inverse composite f of x. Am I right? This one is what? F composite of f inverse of y, isn't it? Am I right? Only when your g function is inverse. In this case, very important result. What is true? Identity. Yes? This case only what? F composite F inverse or F inverse composite F is what? Commutative. Yes? Why? Because make a closed loop. Isn't it? But the other case, in general, no. F composite G is not equal to G composite F. No. Yes? But this case is true. Yes? As a what? Identity. Isn't it? Good. Yeah, so you know that. Here, let me ask more. How about in this case? What about this? I want to make more question. How about F inverse composite F of 0? What is it? If we rewrite it, and then what? This is F inverse of F of 0. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
F of 0 is what? F inverse of 6. Am I right? Yes?
Yes.
So it is what? 0. See, starting 0, ending 0. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to compute it. What? Because F inverse exists and then what? F inverse composite F is identity. Yes? I told you. So what? Don't need to do anything. Yes? And then what about this? What is this? What is it? You don't need to compute anything. What did you answer? 6.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because we know that what? F inverse composite F is identity. Yes? Do you understand? This is only available when you have inverse. Yep. Good. Now, let's go back to the exercise. Same page, 226. Number 31 through 36. You have a table. Here, evaluate. Okay, let's go. This 5 is what? X value or Y value? Y value. So, what is the F inverse of 5?
4.
How about this?
Okay, wait. This is, you said Y value?
5.
5. Yes? Yes. Here, F and F inverse. What is your answer? Don't need to do anything. What did you answer?
1.
Good.
Oh,
What about this?
6.
Yeah.
Wait.
Don't spend the time. Why? Because inverse
She
is
said
what?
wait.
inverse
It's the
identity.
same when
Oh.
it's inverted.
Yeah, I know you guys wanted to do, but yeah, you can say. But not this. F inverse twice. What is it? What is F inverse 1? What is F inverse 1?
6,
Good. What is F inverse 6?
2.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now it's 2.
How about this? F inverse, what is F inverse 0?
5,
What is F inverse 5?
4.
Good. Yes? Is good? Yeah. Okay, last one. Last one. I
Are
know.
we leaving early?
Last one, the page
Oh.
222. How to find the inverse function. You already know that, but review. Next important job is this. How to find f inverse of x. Here I want to emphasize, this one is not a power. So what they mean? F inverse of x is no, 1 over f of x. Somebody write down this way, cut the point, -10.
Oh.
So what? F inverse x is the just name. Don't change it to fraction. Yes. This is the name, not a power. Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Don't try to make a 1 over f. Totally, you demolish your old knowledge.
So don't make none of that
Yep, so
magic.
don't do that. Anyway, so how to find it? In page 222, if you read this, you have 3 steps. At the bottom, how to? Step 1. A little bit different. You have to check what?
Step 1.
F is 1 to 1. Step 2. Set y equal f of x and what? Solve for x. Step 3. Interchange x and y, and then set y equal f inverse of x, and then finish.
Wait, interchange.
So using the simple example, we will
Y.
discuss about it.
Is that supposed to be an and between y and set?
Yeah, and.
Okay. And set y
Huh?
equal f inverse f of x.
So example, very simple example. Let f of x equal to 4 minus 3x. Find the inverse of f of x. So this question means what? Find f inverse x, yes? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Check. What type of function it is?
That is that's a line.
What's the name of function?
Linear.
Linear. Linear function is 1 to 1?
Yes.
Of course, true. So what? Step 1? Don't worry about. Am I right? You don't
Yes.
need to write down. So usually we skip the step 1. Yes? Step 2.
I like it.
What? Set y equal 4 minus 3x. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And what? Solve for x. Isolate x. Yes?
Yes.
So 3x equal to 4 minus y. Am I right?
Yes.
And then isolate x. So it is 4 minus y over 3. Yes? Step 3. What do you need? Interchange x, y. Yes?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So what?
Y equals
Is it 4 plus 3 over x? Oh, no.
Huh?
4 minus
Is it 4 plus 3 over
Uh,
x? No.
Chelsea.
And then what? Set up y as f inverse x. So this is your answer, right? This is your answer. Am I right?
Yes.
Question. What type of function it is? What's the name of this function? No. You know what? I told you I teach morning class and evening class. Usually your answer is your mistake goes parallelly.
Question.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I
So what
remember
is it?
learning something, maybe you can tell me what it is that I'm getting confused about, but it was like, if it was 4 minus 3 plus x, it would be 4 plus 3 divided by x. Sorry, 4 minus 3 times x would be 4 plus 3 divided by x.
Right?
If it's multiplication, it would be division. If it's addition, it would be
You
subtraction.
don't need to.
I'm saying that's what I learned. So I'm wondering, what is that?
Write down here. What is your confusion? Come.
Okay.
What is your confusion? Yeah? Yeah, write down.
So I remember learning that
Mm.
F inverse,
Mm.
so like the opposite of F of, let's see, F of X. That's what I learned, or something,
No.
something like
No,
that.
no, 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 no,
Very
no,
similar
no.
to that. What
Minus
is that?
10, girl.
What is, no, I'm wondering what that is. It's the
I'm sorry,
opposite.
but no meaning here. Maybe you don't remember
I learned this in
something.
algebra, I don't know.
No. This one?
No.
Irrelevant.
Okay, it's not.
Or you wanna ask this, you should make exactly what your another instructor talk about.
Fine.
Nah,
I'm gonna
nothing.
go through my notes and then ask
Yeah,
you
yeah,
again.
no. Okay, but yeah, good,
Baby
good
said
check.
it.
Okay.
Anyway, go back to my question. What's the name of this function?
Right?
Hint.
Rational? No.
No.
He said, and I said
And
no.
so now, shit.
Hint. Can I separate this one as a two-term? Because you have a common denominator. So how can you rewrite it?
4
Good,
minus,
very good.
yeah,
4 over 3
minus,
minus x over 3. Now, what is it? What is the name of this function?
Linear.
Very good. Linear function. What's the slope? Very good. Good job. And what's the intercept?
the 4/3.
Good. So don't confuse. This is linear. Here, this one is also linear. Am I right? Don't say rational. What is the rational function? Fraction form, but what? Your denominator should include x term. Yes?
Yes.
But okay, so we finish. Now, let me add more. Okay, here.
Okay.
Sketch F and F inverse. The graph. Yes? So let's go.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like to draw. Sketch. And inverted.
Yep. Your y-intercept is 4. Am I right?
Yes.
And your slope is what? Negative 3. So what they mean? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Because the slope negative 3. This is your graph of f. Yes? Now, what is your graph of f inverse? Slope is, I'm sorry, y-intercept is what? 4/3. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? 4/3 is where? Here. Yes? And what is your slope? Your slope is still negative 1/3. Am I right? So negative 1/3 means what? E.
I found the problem I'm talking about.
There?
When you're done, yeah.
Oh,
There.
very good.
From my algebra class.
Here, let me make a question. Yeah, here. Oh,
Okay.
no,
But we don't
because
need-
I don't ask this kind of fraction number. What the original one? What is what x-intercept? What is x-intercept?
Was the 1 over
What is the x-intercept?
3.
3?
3?
There's
Negative 3.
What is x-intercept? How do you find x-intercept?
0.
Set it to 0.
Said what? What is 0? You know, don't say like that. Said what? 0? Whoa, for what?
4 minus
So
3x
why
minus
is
0, right?
Y is 0.
Yeah,
So
y
y
is
is
0.
0 equal to 0. And then what is x? 4/3. Very good.
Thirds, yeah.
Which?
Am I right?
Yeah.
Good. Now, why I need that? And then, similar. What is x-intercept? What is x-intercept? Equal to 0. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what is x?
1/3?
Eh, 4. Good. Thank you. 4 here. Am I right? 4 here. Yes? So your graph is what? This is F inverse, right?
Oh.
My graph is very bad, but
Oh,
still
mine
okay.
too.
This graph is what? Symmetric about what?
There we go.
This line. What is this line? Of course, my graph was not good. I'm so sorry.
I know, I'm like, meh.
So what? This one around this. This one is folded to here, right? This one is what? Duplicate to here. Can you
Yeah.
see?
Yes.
So here, always, what is the important finding? F and F inverse are symmetric about what? Huh? Symmetric about what?
The origin.
No, symmetric about what?
X axis. Oh.
I said what? Fold around what? Yes. This is the one of important result of what? F and F inverse. Yes? Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't forget please. Now I want to move on another example and then maybe I think.
Wait, isn't it the last one?
No, should be that.
2 more, so until. Okay, let's go. How about this? Example. Let g of x equal to x squared. Is it 1-to-1? Is it 1-to-1 or not? No.
No.
So are we gonna restrict the domain for x this? Is it 1-to-1?
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Because this graph means what? You have to understand. Only I take care about this, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Very important. So this is 1-to-1. Now, find g inverse x. That's question. And then what? Step 1.
1-to-1.
Good job. G is 1-to-1 on the interval of what? This. Am I right? With this picture, this is a G picture. What is the domain of G? What is the range of G? In this picture, what's the domain?
So you have negative infinity to 0,
What is the range?
0 to
Good job.
infinity.
Yeah, am I right? Keep this. Okay, let's move to the step 2. Set y equal x squared, right? Yes?
Yes.
Step 2. And solve for x. So, what? From here, to solve for x, what do you need to do? Yeah? Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? So what? Isn't it? So what? I told you many, many times. Am I right? Yes? But unfortunately, you have to choose one of them. Fit to the which one is the right answer by step 3. Because you cannot take both. So here, still, okay, I don't want to think now. So, interchange x, y. So it become what? Y equal to square root x or what? Y equal to negative square root x. Am I right?
Mhm.
And then we needed to set up one of them as a f of x. So your f of x is this one or this one. You have to choose one of them, and the other one you have to delete.
Okay,
How
when you-
to check? Here is my message. Here is my message. When you check out which one is the right one, you have to think about what? Domain of, oh my God, why everything is there? G. Isn't it? My function name is G. Yes?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes.
What is the domain of G inverse? What is the range of G inverse? Remember that what? The rule of f and G inverse, f and f inverse is what? F is going from x to y, yes? And then f inverse is going from y to x. You remember that? So, here is domain, and then what? Here is range, yes? Here is range, and then here is domain, yes? Very important, very, very important. Yes? This is always true. This is always true. Okay? This is always true. So, you know what is R of G. Am I right? What is this? Isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
So your graph should be where? Domain is from 0 to infinity, yes? 0 to infinity, range should be what?
Negative.
Below. So, visually, like this. And then this one will be symmetric about y equal x. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you see? Which one you have to choose? First one or second one?
Your first one?
To be this.
First one?
Think about it. What graph is G inverse? Y equals square root x
so
or
the-
y
so
equals
the
negative
second
square root?
one.
That's right. Forget about this. Yes?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. So, this is number 1, and this is sketch is number 2. Yes? Good. Quick. Last one. How about this? How about this? Okay. Do you know the graph of this? I did right before today. What's the graph of this? What is graph? Hmm? Somebody answer.
It's going off to the right.
Where's vertex? Where's vertex? 2. 2 what? Where's vertex?
Y equals
Good job. Here's vertex. It goes to the left or right?
to the right.
Aye. Huh?
I,
To the left. We already discussed, right? Isn't it? This is your F. Yes?
Mhm.
Good. Now. Now. Here. And then, what's the, see, this graph is 1 to 1 or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is 1 to 1. And let's check it. What is a domain? What is a range? Eh?
So we have,
Domain.
uh, two brackets.
What is the range?
And then 0 to infinity.
Isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Good. Keep going. Solve. How to isolate x? square both. Yes? Am I right?
Yeah.
And then this one become what? Am I right?
Yes.
So, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Switch it. Yes? So, your answer is but. What? What's the domain? What is your domain? What is your range?
It's
It's
opposite.
split.
Right. So what is domain?
So two, so bracket?
Zero
It's
Good.
0 to
0
infinity,
to infinity. What
Oh,
is your
okay.
range?
negative
And then
infinity to 2.
Good job. So, my graph is too high. So,
Oh, that's how I drew mine. See? Okay, that's me.
like that. This is my F. Yes. Here, what? Your range should be 2. Yes. Am I right?
Yeah.
And what? Your domain should be what? 0 to infinity. Yes. So what is the graph? See here, around here. This point to here, right? And then this point should be where? Here. Yes. What is your graph? Ah. Can you see? This is your F inverse. Around this. This one fold here, this one fold here. Yes?
That way. So
Do you understand?
And then you went
Clear?
up 0.
So that's inverse. Yes?
I'm just gonna say choose up here.
Yeah. Now, so I'm done. Believe it or not, I finished everything, chapter 2.
I believe you.
So from, yeah, you had better practice more. From next week, I will go to, oh my God, wait just a minute. It is a chapter.
I messed up my graphy graph.
Yeah.